Hello everyone, my name is Thitaree Tanprasert, and today I will present a novel solution for augmenting lecture videos with social presence and interactions. Lecture videos are suitable materials for asynchronous online learning. However, there are pedagogical approaches and phenomena that cannot be conveyed through lecture videos, which may cause students to feel isolated and disengaged from the content. In this project, we proposed virtual peer interactions. These interactions are scripted by instructors to augment existing videos, and the scenario is one where a virtual TA and a couple of virtual students watch the lecture video for the first time together and interact with each other on topics related to the video. The real student can learn extra content from observing the interactions between the virtual peers, and it should be noted that there is no interaction between the real student and the virtual peers. One problem we found with the virtual peer is that creating these interactions takes a lot of effort and time, so we would like to design a tool to make the authoring process more efficient for instructors. To figure out what kind of tool the instructors need, we ran a participatory design study with 9 instructors and TAs across 7 different disciplines. We found 5 essential interactions to include for virtual peers. They are 1. Students asking questions to the instructor or TA. 2. Instructors asking questions to the student. 3. Discussion among students that are relevant to the class contents. 4. Pre-lesson activities that are unrelated to the class contents. And 5. Stickers and emojis in online classrooms. We also found 3 design requirements for the interaction authoring tools. They are 1. Make the interactions easily noticeable and comprehensible while not distracting students from the lecture videos. 2. Clearly distinguish between the real and virtual components. And 3. Automate as much of the authoring process as possible. Based on this study, we designed a virtual peer interaction authoring tool. In the interest of time, I will demonstrate only the first of 5 interactions that you can author with this tool, that is Q&A. To add a Q&A conversation, you start at the top menu. Then you fill out the information in the template on the right, click Add Q&A button, and a conversation will be automatically generated according to DR3. You can see that the video is paused before starting the chat conversation in order to redirect students' attention and reduce their cognitive load according to DR1. And we also arrange the interactions so that there is no visual overlap between the real component, that is the lecture, and all the virtual components highlighted in green according to DR2. For future work, we'll run a formal user evaluation of the tool and identify the pros and cons of the virtual peers concept with a large-scale study. Thank you very much for listening.